If you've been putting off investing because it feels too complicated or risky, 2026 might be your year. The good news? Getting started is easier than ever, and you don't need thousands of dollars or a finance degree. In the next 4 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to start investing as a complete beginner. First, let's talk about why investing matters. With inflation eating away at the purchasing power of cash sitting in your bank account, investing is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts invested regularly can grow significantly over the years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to work for you. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to get your financial foundation solid. Start by building an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net, so you won't need to sell investments at a bad time if something unexpected happens. Next, pay off any high interest debt, especially credit cards. If you're paying 20% interest on debt, that's going to outpace most investment returns. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. Once you've got your emergency fund and manageable debt, you're ready to invest. Now let's talk about where to invest. For most beginners, I recommend starting with a tax-advantaged retirement account. If your employer offers a 401k with matching contributions, that's your first stop. That match is literally free money, so contribute at least enough to get the full match. If you don't have a 401k or want to invest beyond it, open an IRA. A Roth IRA is great for beginners because your investments grow tax-free and you can withdraw your contributions anytime without penalty. For 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year if you're under 50. You can open these accounts through user-friendly platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab in about 15 minutes. Here's where beginners often get overwhelmed, but it's actually simpler than you think. For most people, the best starting point is index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track entire markets, giving you instant diversification. A total stock market index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500, gives you exposure to hundreds of companies with a single purchase. You're not trying to pick the next Apple or Tesla. You're betting on the overall growth of the economy, which historically has trended upward over long periods. Target date funds are another excellent option for beginners. You pick a fund based on when you plan to retire, and it automatically adjusts its mix of stocks and bonds as you get older, becoming more conservative over time. Start with these simple, low-cost options. You can always get more sophisticated later as you learn more. Here's the secret that separates successful investors from everyone else. Consistency. Set up automatic contributions from your paycheck or bank account. Even if you're starting with just $50 or $100 a month, that regularity matters more than the amount. This approach, called dollar cost averaging, means you're buying in at different price points, which smooths out market volatility. When the market dips, you're buying more shares for the same dollar amount. When it's up, you're still building your position. And here's the hard part. Resist the urge to constantly check your account or panic when the market drops. Investing is a long-term game. The market will have ups and downs, but historically, it has always recovered and grown over time. A few final tips: keep your investment fees low by choosing index funds with expense ratios under 0.2%. Avoid trying to time the market or chase hot stock tips. And most importantly, invest in your financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn as you go. Remember, every expert investor was once a beginner who took that first step. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Drop a comment below telling me what's been holding you back from investing or what your first investment will be. And if you're ready to take action, pause this video right now and open that investment account. Your future self will thank you. Let's build wealth together.